In this video, I'll go over the 8 best strategies to quit your phone and screens in general. So I've already helped over 100 people with this, and I personally went from over 6 hours of daily screen time down to now 0. I don't waste a single minute on my phone. It's all productive. I'm technically gaining screen time as we speak, but screen time is a stupid metric if you didn't already know. So I'll go over the rankings from the least good to the most good. So let's go. So number 8 is cold turkey. Just telling yourself, oh yeah, I'm going to quit everything. I'm going to stop watching movies, TV shows. I'm going to quit watching YouTube on my PC, and I'm going to stop watching bullshit on my phone. If you're really disciplined, which you're not if you're watching this video, just making that 100% sure. You might be disciplined, but you're not 100% disciplined, because then you wouldn't be watching this video. I think we all know why cold turkey doesn't work. It's too fucking difficult. It's too difficult. The change in your day-to-day is too big. So the 7th thing is getting a dummy phone. When you get a dummy phone, you'll just end up scrolling on your PC or on the TV. So it's not that big of a thing. So the 6th thing is just don't bring your phone to the places that you go. You could literally go to school, go to work, go to the gym and not bring your phone. And then you can't scroll because you don't have your phone there. But when you come home, you'll just start to consume way more, and you won't really feel like going to the gym because you don't bring your phone. And then you'll just stay at home more. I think you see why the limitations with this. The 5th thing is using app blockers and extensions and stuff like that only, and just only using you set up app blockers for Instagram and shit like that, and you delete the apps and you do all of these things. It doesn't work. You'll just end up watching TV or scrolling on your PC instead, and you can just turn it off. It doesn't work. I've tried it. It doesn't work. So the 4th thing is not charging your phone to over 20% battery or 30% battery, so that the energy on your phone, the battery percentage actually has some value. And then you don't want to spend it, because then you can't do X thing, and then you get into some weird situations and everything like that. And you can still use your phone, but it's you don't really want to and shit like that. So that's another thing to try. The 3rd thing is doing something called a commitment contract. It's from the book Atomic Habits. I learned it from my mentor. Making a commitment contract is basically where you make a contract with yourself and you say, if I do X thing within Y time, I do set consequence. So it might be, if I watch short form content within the next 14 days, then I'll give a stranger $50 or $100, something like that. And then you won't want to do it. And this only works if you are an honest person. So yeah, make sure that you're actually an honest person. Otherwise, this won't work at all. So the 2nd way is using the onion method. So what is the onion method? The onion method is a method that I came up with. And it's basically, the onion method represents an onion, and then all of the layers represents the different parts of your screen time that you should slowly start to peel away, right? I've made a full guide on this channel, which you can find. It is over an hour long. I go really in depth into it, and I really recommend you watch that. So the number 1 best thing that you could do to reduce your screen time is the onion method on steroids. What is the onion method on steroids? The onion method on steroids is where you click on the first link in the description. It's my one-on-one coaching. I also have a program, everything like that. It's not that expensive. And I will force you to go from the position that you're in right now to someone who's 100% clean from all digital addictions. You don't scroll at all. The most stimulating thing you do is listening to an audiobook. So yeah, you can do that. And the onion method on steroids is basically, it's a combination of a lot of things that I've talked about already in this video. And then it's just the accountability and the direction from someone who's been doing this for over 7 months. So yeah, click on the first link in the description, take some action. Also just if you're an entrepreneur, it will help you out a fuck ton. So yeah, click on the first link in the description, take some action. Have a good rest of the day. See you, brother.